So how did this biographical portraiture start? I'll tell you a very quick story. I had a beautiful studio. A great education. I even had a good start in the art world coming out of college. But at some point I found myself really isolated in my studio, not feeling motivated about the work that I was doing. If anything, I felt like I was just making pretty pictures, and there's nothing wrong with beautiful work or pretty pictures. But it just wasn't enough for me. And I was also craving having purpose. I wanted purpose with my work, and I wasn't sure how to do that. So really, I kind of hit rock bottom. And from that, I ended up creating this process of working with people to create biographical portraitures. I don't use them to sell them back to the people I'm working with. They're not commissions. They're usually done as an effort for storytelling to communicate a bigger message. I've been very fortunate to work with the Nisenan tribe in Nevada City, and also where I started, which is in my hometown of Venice, California, working on the West of Lincoln project. So if you're looking for a way to bring a little more purpose, if you have a cause that you're working with or that you're passionate about, this workshop could be the answer to your dreams. No, this workshop could be very, very inspiring. So the best way to reach me is through my website or through an email. These classes will be popping up soon, and I'll let you know all about them. I also have a newsletter, so let me know if you want to be on my newsletter.